Google recently launched the second beta for Android 15, and many people have been updating their devices lately. Sadly, this beta seems to have introduced an inconvenient audio bug for Google Pixel 6 owners that reduces the volume level to about 40% of the original. Some had hoped that the Android 15 Beta 2.1 update would have fixed it, and we actually are seeing a few comments in this thread from people claiming that the 2.1 beta update ended up fixing this issue for them. However, that does not seem to be the case for everyone. So if you own a Google Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, or Pixel 6a, and you have updated to the second beta of Android 15, then I highly recommend you check the speaker volume of your device. I believe that this is only happening to the external speaker, as some have suggested the update seems to have broken one of the two speakers used for external audio. Sadly, we have not heard anything about this issue from Google yet, so we aren't sure if this is going to be a high priority for them. We are supposed to expect the Android beta program to introduce random bugs like this, as the team is working on getting the new features implemented properly. And I believe this can be fixed by either waiting for the next version of the Android beta or downgrading to the previous version, the Android 15 Beta 1 release. And I can actually do a video about this if there is enough demand for it. So let me know down in the comment section below if you have experienced this bug or not. And tell me if you'd like to see a downgrade tutorial here on the channel that will fix this critical audio bug.